Hey, what's going on, cyber friends? Today I'm going to be showing you how to ride and how to activate a line bike. I bet that you have seen more and more bikes just like this one on the streets, and you might be wondering what's going on with this line bikes. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to download the app and how to activate your free account, and also how to unlock it so you can start riding within minutes. All right, so stay tuned. Step number one, you got to open your app store on your iPhone or your Android. And what you're going to be doing is you want to go to your app store and you're going to type in the word limebike, and that's the app. Since I already have it downloaded on my phone, you're going to press download, and I'm going to go open. Right, once you download the app, you're going to be able to open a free account. Just follow the steps. It's very easy. You can open the app. You can create an account with your Facebook account, and if not, with your email. Name, last name, and email, and that is it. And actually, you get a free bike. And you see, this is the map, and this little blue dot right there is where I am standing, and all these other lines right there are the bikes that are around you. All right, download the app. You're gonna come. Where's the bike? Locate the bike, and you're gonna go to the back of the bike, and you're gonna see this little QR code. And what you want to do, open your app, and where it says unlock, just press unlock. A little screen is gonna open, and just take a picture or get it close to the QR code, something like that. Come on. Right there. So once you do that, boom, did you hear that? It's unlocked and it's ready to rock and roll. All right, that is it. Once you unlock it, you get on the bike and you start riding. And now you're free to go for a spin, just like this. Watching the video, hopefully this video helped you. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll be making another video for you. Peace in the Middle East.